What is the CIMA qualification? How long will it take to complete CIMA? And what are the stages that you have in CIMA qualification? Likewise, regarding CIMA, you might have certain questions. So I have done this video to cover all the details regarding CIMA by taking certain questions into consideration. So let's move to the video. What is CIMA? These four letters stand for what? Chartered Institute of Management Accountants. So this is a chartered qualification and it's a professional qualification. Before giving you an idea about the CIMA qualification, let me give you a brief idea about the qualifications normally that you will have. If you take qualifications broadly, we can split the qualifications into two categories. One category is academic qualification and other category is professional qualification. Under academic qualifications, you will have your degree, maybe your A levels, O levels, and maybe the masters. So these are certain qualifications will fall under academic category. Then what are the qualifications will fall under professional category? CIMA, ACCA, AAT, Chartered Accounting. So these are certain qualifications falling under professional category. So CIMA is a chartered qualification and it's a professional qualification. Normally for the professional qualification all around the world there is a very good recognition. CIMA is recognized in how many countries? Approximately in 180 countries it is recognized. You know, in this world there are 220 plus countries are there. Out of that, in 180 countries the CIMA qualification is recognized. Now you might have a question, how long will it take to complete the CIMA qualification? If you study properly, approximately you can complete the CIMA qualification within 2 to 2.5 years. What's the structure of CIMA qualification? In CIMA qualification, you have 4 stages. First stage we will call it as certificate level. Second stage we will call it as operational level. Third stage we will call it as management level. And the fourth stage we will call it as strategic level. To complete each stage, approximately it will take 6 months. So for one stage 6 months, likewise you have 4 stages. That means, as I said you previously, approximately you can complete CIMA within 2 to 2.5 years. If you are looking at the CIMA qualification content, I would like to broadly split it into 3 areas. One area is financial accounting. You know the debit, credit. So that part is there in CIMA qualification. And another part is management. Especially like management accounting, forecasting, budgeting, costing. So that is there in the CIMA qualification. And the third part is whatever the other parts which is not falling under financial accounting and management. Such as maybe strategies of the company, company's culture, organizational structure, and the technological stuffs, how the technology can come into the equation. So these things are there in the CIMA qualification. So mainly you will be learning 3 areas: finance, management, and others, as I said you. And if you take CIMA qualification in the first stage, certificate level, you have 4 subjects. The 4 subjects are, one is financial accounting, other one is management accounting, and you have economics, and other one is business ethics and law. And in your second level, you have 3 subjects and plus a case study. And in your third level also it's same, 3 subjects and a case study. Fourth level also it's same, 3 subjects and case study. So if you take operational level, management level, strategic level, you will have 3 subjects, one from finance, one from management, one from the enterprise, like I said you, other areas. Okay. And once you are done with these 3 subjects, based on the knowledge which you gained in these 3 subjects, you will have a case study. So for the operational level, you will have a case study. For the management level, you will have a case study. For the strategic level, you will have a case study. So the certificate level, you don't have any case studies. You have 4 subjects in the certificate level. After that, for the second stage, third stage, fourth stage, you will have 3 subjects plus a case study. Another question that you might have, what's the entry requirement for CIMA qualification? There is a very simple one entry requirement. If you are above 16, you can do the CIMA qualification. You might have a question, okay, after O levels I can do it, or after A levels whether I can do it. If not, I have done my O levels or A levels in math stream, if not in science stream, if not in commerce stream. So if I have done it in the math stream or any other stream apart from commerce, can I do this CIMA qualification? Yes, you can do, because the only requirement that you have, you should be above 16. And you might have another question, whether you are getting exemptions for CIMA qualification. Yes, you can get exemptions if you have completed other qualifications, maybe a degree, maybe a diploma, maybe masters. Yes, you can get exemptions for other qualifications. I will include an email address in the description. You have to send an email for CIMA and you have to get the exemptions from them itself. And the next question that you might have, how your exams will be. As I said you, in CIMA, for the first level you have 4 subjects. For those 4 subjects, you can do the exams anytime that you want. And for the second level, third level and fourth level, that means operational management and strategic, I said you have 3 subjects and a case study for the second level. Third level also same, 3 subjects and a case study. Fourth level also same, 3 subjects and a case study. So the 3 subjects that you are doing, for those subjects you can do the exam anytime that you want. Those exams are on-demand exams and computer-based online exams. So you can do anytime that you want. But case studies are not like that. You can't do anytime that you want. For the case studies, there are 4 sessions that they have given. So as of now, the 4 sessions that you have, there is a February session, there is a May session, there is a August session, and there is a November session. And the next question that you might have, how much will it cost to complete CIMA qualification? So I would like to broadly split this total cost into 2 categories. One is the payments that you have to make for CIMA directly from sterling pounds, and other one is the payment that you have to make for your tuition provider, if not from the place that you are getting the learning. So the amount that you have to pay for the CIMA in total for the exams, registration, so these things will total up to approximately 2400 GBP. And the other amount, the tuition payment amount, it depends on the place that you are selecting. And if you want to do the self-study, yes, you can do it, but I always recommend it's better to search for a proper learning provider and get the proper learning. So I hope I covered most of the questions that you had. So if you have any kind of questions, please do not hesitate to post a comment and ask the question.